Hey y'all, welcome to Dallas, Texas, the Big D, where everything is bigger, the barbecue is smokier, and the cowboy hats are, well, everywhere. Today, we're trading in our cowboy boots for some comfy walking shoes and taking you on a walking tour of downtown Dallas. From fun tourist attractions to artsy destinations and historic landmarks, we've got you covered, along with a whole lot of yeehaw. If you're ready to explore the heart of the Lone Star State, let's get this adventure started. First stop, the Dallas Museum of Art, which is located on Harwood Street. This place is a treasure trove of masterpieces, with over 24,000 works spanning 5,000 years. From ancient artifacts to contemporary creations, this museum is like a time machine. First things first, the DMA is one of the largest art museums in the United States, and it's free to enter. That's right, you can soak in all this art without spending a dime. The museum showcases Egyptian artifacts, classical European paintings, and sculptures by various artists. Some of the highlights of the museum include Skyway by Robert Rauschenberg, Portrait in a Dream by Jackson Pollock, the Huntington Wine Cistern, Sheaves of Wheat by Vincent van Gogh, and the Rock Crystal Ewer, an Egyptian artifact from the late 10th to 11th century. And of course, if you want to try your hands on being an artist, the DMA offers interactive exhibits where you can unleash your inner artist. From drawing stations to digital art displays, it's a fun way to get creative and maybe even discover your hidden talent. Just remember, no finger painting on the masterpieces. After soaking in the artistic wonders of the Dallas Museum of Art, now it's time to step outside and explore some more creativity in the great outdoors. Simply cross the street to get to the Nasher Sculpture Center and discover a garden of sculptures. This museum is dedicated to modern and contemporary sculpture, and features an impressive collection of works by some of the most renowned artists in the world. First, check out this stunning sculpture by Richard Serra. His massive steelworks are known for their imposing presence and intricate play of space. It's like walking through a maze made of art. Just try not to get lost. Inside the Nasher Sculpture Center, you'll find a mix of modern and contemporary works. The museum showcases sculpture pieces by Jeff Koons, Manfred Pernis, Katerina Oyang, and Henry Moore, to name a few artists. The Nasher Sculpture Center also offers interactive exhibits where you can unleash your inner artist. From sketching stations to hands-on art projects, it's a fun way to get creative and maybe even discover your hidden talent. Just remember, no climbing on the sculptures, unless you want to become part of the exhibit. You've just immersed in the artistic wonders of the Nasher Sculpture Center, but now it's time to trade in sculptures for some fresh air and fun at the Klyde and Warren Park, a green space built over a freeway. To get there, head west to the Woodall-Rogers Freeway. It's about a 3-minute walk. So close, you could almost smell the food trucks already. Named after Klyde Warren, the son of billionaire Kelsey Warren, who funded the project, this urban oasis was built right over a freeway, making it one of the coolest parks in Dallas. It's got everything from food trucks and a dog park to a children's playground and outdoor yoga classes. Klyde Warren Park is famous for its rotating lineup of food trucks, offering everything from gourmet burgers to artisanal ice cream. Here's a pro tip. Try the tacos, they're a local favorite. Also, the park hosts a food truck rally every week, so there's always something new and delicious to try. So grab a bite and enjoy the flavors of Dallas. Aside from the food trucks, the park also has the My Best Friend Park, a space dedicated to our furry friends where the Yappy Hours is also hosted. So if you can't resist the charm of our four-legged friends, take a moment to watch the pups have a blast. There's also Children's Playground, a wonderland of fun for the little ones. With climbing structures, swings and slides, it's the perfect spot for kids to burn off some energy. And lastly, Klyde Warren Park offers free outdoor yoga classes on the lawn, perfect for finding your zen in the heart of the city. After enjoying the fresh air and fun at Klyde Warren Park, it's now time to explore the wonders of science at the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. To get there, head southwest along Woodall-Rogers Freeway until you get to North Field Street. The Perot Museum of Nature and Science is like a playground for your brain, with interactive exhibits on everything from dinosaurs to space exploration. The museum's building is designed to look like a giant cube, making it one of the most distinctive landmarks in Dallas. Get inside. It's time to get your geek on. First off, you can't miss the dinosaurs. Check out the massive skeleton of a T-Rex. Talk about a jaw-dropping exhibit. Here's a trivia. The Perot Museum is home to one of the largest dinosaur collections in the country. It's like stepping into Jurassic Park, but with fewer chase scenes and more learning. So take a moment to appreciate these prehistoric giants. And then, there's the Gem and Mineral exhibit, where you'll find sparkling gems, dazzling minerals, and even a giant geode. It's like walking through a treasure chest. And did you know? Some of these minerals are millions of years old, making them the true bling of the natural world. The museum's space exhibit features models of spacecraft, interactive displays, and even a moon rock. And here's a fun fact. The Perot Museum's space exhibit was designed in collaboration with NASA, so you know it's out of this world. And lastly, the Perot Museum offers interactive exhibits where you can conduct science experiments, test your engineering skills, and even simulate an earthquake. It's like a science fair on steroids. You've just explored the fantastic world of science and nature at the Perot Museum. But now it's time to meet some exotic creatures from the depths of the ocean and beyond at the Dallas World Aquarium. To get there, head south on Field Street. Then take a right turn onto Corbin Street. The Dallas World Aquarium is an aquatic wonderland, home to a diverse collection of marine life, birds, and mammals from around the world. Check out their aquarium tanks, filled with vibrant fish from the coral reefs. It's like swimming in a tropical paradise, without getting wet. Then there's also the Orinoco Rainforest exhibit, a lush jungle teeming with exotic birds, reptiles, and mammals. It's like stepping into a real-life rainforest, minus the humidity. And did you know? The Dallas World Aquarium is one of the few places where you can see a manatee up close. Next, waddle over to the penguin exhibit. These adorable birds are always a crowd favorite because they love to put on a show with their playful antics. Lastly, head over to the shark tunnel, where you'll see these majestic predators swimming right over your head. It's like being in a real-life shark tank, without the danger. And here's a cool tidbit. The tunnel is designed to give you a 360-degree view of the sharks, making it one of the most immersive exhibits in the aquarium. After being awed by the wonders of the deep blue sea at the Dallas World Aquarium, it's time to dive into a different kind of history. Step back in time and head over to Dealy Plaza. To get there, head south on Griffin Street and turn right on Ross Avenue. Then head south on Houston Street. Before you get to Dealy Plaza, you'll pass by the West End Historic District, a vibrant area known for its preserved 19th-century buildings, eclectic shops, and dining options. And now to your last stop, the Dealy Plaza, forever etched in American memory as the location of President John F. Kennedy's assassination on November 22, 1963. Check out the grassy knoll. This area became infamous due to conspiracy theories suggesting a second shooter was present here. It's a peaceful spot now, but it's loaded with historical significance. Here's a chilling sight: the white X on the road marking the exact spot where President Kennedy was fatally shot. It's a stark reminder of that fateful day. And did you know? Every year, thousands of visitors come to Dealy Plaza to pay their respects. And that's it for today's virtual walking tour of the Big D. Which city do you want us to cover next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and press that notification button. See you on our next virtual walking tour.